Hello guys, so this is how to add ChatGPT search to your Google Chrome. So OpenAI just added this new feature to ChatGPT, amazing feature by the way, which allows you to search the web through ChatGPT or search for information through ChatGPT. You might think that this is already there, but you can do this through the URL bar or through the search bar on Google. So I'll show you how to do this. So what you can do right now is just open a new tab and then go to the Chrome Web Store. Once you're inside the web store, just look for ChatGPT, search. Then here we go, we find it, the first option, so just click on that. Then click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension, and now it's been added. So now if you open up a new tab and in the URL bar, just type in, how do I make sure that people have fun in a party that I am hosting? You know, pretty complex question for Google. You might get some links, but you're just gonna have to do some digging. But if I just do that with the ChatGPT extension on, it will just direct me to ChatGPT and will answer my question. And I can even give it follow-up questions right here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So hope that video was helpful.